It's moving day. We are, well, that doesn't look very different yet, but the guys are here. Say hi, guys. We are moving today. We're working with a company called Rigo's Moving Company, and we found Rigo's Moving Company because we're working with another company called Hire a Helper. And just like that, it's all gone. Okay, you guys, I just got to the new house. The movers are on their way. I'm gonna show you guys an empty house tour, kind of walk you through each room. We're home. Here is the living room. Look how big the living room is. This beautiful mantle. I mean, this is probably like, I don't even know how deep. It's just so deep and so beautiful, and it works. It's a working fireplace. We have the curved ceilings like our last place had. It's kind of like a little bit more elevated because we have the trim along the side. It just looks so beautiful in here. I love the big windows. You know me, I love light. And then this beautiful little archway into the dining room. The dining room. So this is an original fixture to the house. I mean, it's not original, but you know what I mean? It's not bad. I don't know if we're gonna keep it because you know we have others. Behind you, all of you standing in my little, what do we call this? Dining nook, maybe a pantry? I don't know. It's incredibly small, but it's very cute. This is original to the house. I wanna say it's close to 100 years old. It's gonna stay this color because the owner of the home loves obviously the original character of it, so we're gonna keep it, highlight it, make it look beautiful. But I love that I can put our dishes in here. You know me, I love to entertain, so I love that we have a little added room. And then over here we have a kitchen. Come on. Okay, so here's where the work kind of begins. Things get a little bit weird in here, however, it is not that bad. The cabinets are white, which I love. I think maybe there used to be something that attached here, but I'm not entirely sure. It looks like Dippin' Dots. I love Dippin' Dots, just maybe not on my countertop. We could potentially do something with that because it doesn't have any grouting, so you could cover it. And then we have some lovely decorative backsplash tile with a nice little bouquet of flowers. Tyler is thrilled. You know, Tyler was my old dishwasher, but now we have a built-in dishwasher, so no longer does Tyler have to break his back on our very short cabinets. This is a hallway. Yes, I have a hallway. And it has lights. Can you believe it? So remember how I said we were getting kind of weird in the kitchen? Well, but don't worry, this is gonna be an amazing transformation at some point, and you guys should get excited. But it kind of gives off like junior high locker room vibes. Here is the real bathroom. Not as bad. Still needs some work, but not that bad. So we have a nice little shower tub situation. We have some cute flooring. I kind of like the flooring actually. It's blue and white, kind of a cute little pattern. Scout wants to go outside. Just a minute. But I'd rather you tell me you have to pee than pee in the house. Go ahead. Oh, there are so many like lizards and things out there. She's loving life. This is gonna be the office den. We've got a good space room. However, the only access to the backyard inside the house is through this bedroom, which is kind of weird. So we're not gonna make this an actual bedroom. This is gonna be like an office. Use the closet for storage. And then this space, people can just walk through and not feel like they're intruding in someone's space. Here is the master bedroom. This is the biggest room of them all. It has the best light. It echoes, hello, and it has a fan that will be soon replaced because we finally have AC. Oh, hi. You thought I left you? I didn't leave you. You have leaves. What are these strange things? You're an inside dog. What's happening? This is the guest bedroom. The only downside are the windows are not in a symmetrical place. I mean, I guess they're symmetrical to each other because they're both on the very end of each wall. but it's kind of hard to like figure out where to put the bed. So we're gonna make this kind of, can you see her? You're like a person, you're so curious. I have to get my stuff together because Tyler and the moving company are gonna be here any minute. We're gonna be moved into this place. And I should probably take Scout outside and throw the ball with her because she's freaking out. So Tyler doesn't know this yet, but this is gonna be like my closet. So exciting. I get a closet room. I get a closet. You can have one too. You can have a closet room. We can have a closet room. Your closet room can be outside. Do not lunge for the camera, that is off limits. Scout! Lavender. It's all coming together. Slowly but surely. Awesome.
Call that lady.
The heck? Hi, Mom. Mwah.
Hi.
Come on in. Wow, Mom,
Flowers
these are
for you.
so beautiful.
Oh, they're all white. It made me think of you.
Yeah, and they smell amazing. And you
And?
bought a matching bottle?
Matching bottle of champagne.
Okay, so here's the dining room.
Oh gosh. And I actually really like the color. Will you be okay with it? What's the matter?
There we go.
Oh.
But what do you think this room used to be? Do you think it used to be a dining room? Or like a
My
kitchen?
kitchen nook, yeah.
Like a breakfast nook?
Too bad it's right
Not
here, the
best.
adorable baby's room. Look at this, could be a changing table.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's put the baby in the very first room where all the strangers and robbers can come.
Right next to the window.
We're in the way, so why don't we come over here? This is the bathroom.
This would make a great bathroom remodel.
I know. Well, wait till you see the other bathroom. There's an even better bathroom remodel that we're gonna have to do.
I mean, this one is doable.
Or you could go to your high school gym bathroom.
I was gonna say, is that a urinal? That's what it looked like.
Right? We could maybe take this out, maybe take this out, maybe just take the whole thing out.
This is a good sized room.
This is a nice little window and then it has a nice little cedar.
Oh, is this across from that weird bathroom?
No, the nicer bathroom. Guest bedroom and closet.
Ah, I like it back here. Really do.
All right, and then let me show you the office slash my
little
closet
backyard.
room. The IKEA wardrobes are right here. We're gonna put them up against this wall for now. This will be like an office den because the only way to access the backyard is through this bedroom. And then this way is the backyard. So I'm thinking we should paint this white, this black, this white, all of this white, and this white, and then that white, the trim black, and the house white and the trim black.
Ah.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
I like it.
Big project.
Let's go inside and you can help me unpack.
Oh, but that's not my specialty.
Yeah.
Mixing bowls. That could be creative. Yes. Okay. Oh, I think the grandkids are here. Hi.
Welcome to see me.
Hi, Smith. So fun to have you guys here. I'm just so thrilled. I love the house. Don't you love the house?
Really, really cool.
So we want to cheers to you.
Cheers. Welcome to San Diego.
Raise your hands. Love you guys. Thank you guys for coming and making this so special.
I can't wait to see what you do with the place.
Me too.
I mean, I can already tell what you're going to do.
All right.
All
Let's
right,
eat.
do this.
Oh my gosh, can someone please get my phone? I need to capture them sweeping.